Hey guys, Nick Cheadle here with Joe Pitt, rolling with Team On today. We are at Animal Kingdom and we're about to crush a leg workout. Time to show these IFBB boys how to train wheels.
So we're coming today, we're going to roll in with some giant sets. We've got Nick with his Quadzilla things here, so I'm just going to try and keep up.
No board shorts today.
Alright guys, we're just going to cruise into our first set of giant sets here. So we've got box squats. So box squat is basically a normal squat, except there's an end point. So we're going to squat down into a bench, but take the pressure and tension off the muscle, and then stand up again basically. So push the driver through those heels and really working those quads and bringing your glutes in as well. So we're going to run into, so we're doing that. Then we're going to roll into some seated leg curls and some leg extensions. So 3 sets, anything over two sets is a giant set, 2 sets is a super set, okay? So today we're going to do these giant sets. So we're working quad, hammy in one, and then hammy quad, okay? To really build those muscles and isolate them through and work all groups. So all right, we're going to get stuck in now, so here we go.
And you're gonna see, this time things will be different. And you're gonna see. And you're gonna see.
Round exercise 2, seated hammy curls, isolation of the hamstrings. Good glute activation, the box squats. Trying to really torch the hammies. Good man. Good thing. 16. Alright, with the seated hammy curl, I find it best to point your toes up, big squeeze in the hammies at the bottom of each rep. Aim for maximum range of motion, all the way up, all the way down. Best to count how many reps you've done to, so we don't lose count. That'll do.
So Nick, it's been a little bit since your competition back in April with WBFF. So why don't you tell us a little bit about your experience there?
Mate, WBF was an awesome experience. It's probably the best run competition I've been to. Massive production, and the entire duration up to the comp in April was fantastic. So I'm big on flexible dieting, and it gave me a great opportunity to share with everybody that follows me just how you can get to the stage without having to, I guess, restrict yourself from the food that you're liking. and obviously doing that whole sort of chicken and broccoli thing. So in
The
terms of
bro foods?
experience, yeah, exactly right, exactly right. So you know, it was fantastic, and absolutely enjoyed every second of it.
Yeah. What we got? 16.
It's too much cake to eat my off season.
Matt, what's next for you? I mean, it's been a little bit since your last competition. Are you looking to do more in the future? Yeah, what's next for Nick?
Yeah, mate. Since the competition, I've been slowly adding calories back into my diet. I did a shoot not too long after my show, so the focus was on staying reasonably lean for that period. Now, definitely sort of deep into my improvement season, and there are definitely plans to compete again in the future. Nothing absolutely set in stone at the moment.
Yeah.
Wouldn't mind maybe even giving bodybuilding a go, see how we go. And other than that, mate, it's just going to be focusing on the business, looking at sort of improving any of my weaknesses, maintaining strengths. Got a bit of a shoulder issue at the moment, which is sort of holding me back. So other than that, it's just mainly focusing on wheels and growth and helping my clients achieve what they want to do.
Put my money where my mouth is and laid my cards. I'ma go out fighting, leave my scars. I don't know about tomorrow, but I know I got heart. Put my feet right on the margin, and I just might hit the bottom. Throw my hands out on the breeze and let it be. Baby, this is Russian roulette, and it ain't my gun. Hallelujah, I ain't dead yet, and I'm still going strong. I don't know about tomorrow, but the battle ain't done. They say losers are forgotten, and I just might hit the bottom. But we all gotta take the leap and let it be.
So training today with Nick, the guy's got insane quads. You know, he's got a shoulder injury at the moment, and he's been talking us through that, which is pretty crazy. He was doing burpees and hurt his shoulder at a charity event, as you do. So, but look, it's always, he's been training legs for 5 days a week for the last 9 months, or just about. So his quads better look like that. But it's good to talk to him and talk to you about his training philosophies and even his dieting philosophies. It's good to you've got to have a broad spectrum about how to look after your body and get the most out of it. There's different things for everyone, and like we always say, what works for you doesn't work for me. So you've got to try these things out. Nick came in today, and look, he's a great PT, and online coach. So it was good catching up with him and chatting to him about how he trains and what we do to really take things up to the next level and how he does.
When you're holding on your last breath, when you're looking for a way out, oh, let it be.
Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Just let it be.
About to take me off with this shit. Godzilla bankroll, stones from Chile on. Yo, I ain't got Lord Nas dropped it nasty. My wallows, I did them up. Them bricks, I sent them up. My raps, I bit them up. For that, now stick them up. 10-4, good buddy. Tone got his money up. Worth millions, still bag your bitch looking for me. What? Y'all staring at the angel with death. Liar, liar, pants on fire. You burning up like David Correct. This is architect music. Verbal street opera. Papa Tech Man. Fluid got the projects booming indeed. I ran through the tunnel. Terrorized speed. That's when I was still in the jungle. Slinging that D.
Get out my face. Don't need nothing you got no more. Don't need no hairs. Been messing up my corner. And you're better get that bad look off your face before I knock it off. Hey, fool. You ready for another beating? You should have never came back. Look here, man. After I crucify him, you next. And you better have a good doctor to rearrange your face. I'm a champ.
Who won a battle of dawn? I'm James Bond in the octagon with 2 razors. Bet y'all didn't know I had a fake arm. I lost it while in war before rap. I was getting it on. Choke a fat nigga out in like 40 seconds. My gun get hard with a 45 steel, a Rex and Eagle on. Kango half slanted, coconut bells from Morocco, gorilla medallions like Flavor Flav clock. Yo, niggas want me dead, but they scared to step to me. Rip their guts out like a hysterectomy when beef collide. Look on the flip right, a penitentiary kite. Or get you bumped off from the inside. Jaws is hanging, frauds is left in they drawers on the floor complaining. Bird ass nigga resemble Keenan Ivory Wayne and stay in your place. Dirtborn rappers get shadow boxed for training. Not still eating bacon.
Get now while you can. Don't get it, sucking no statue. Give him guns. I told you I wasn't going away. You had your shot. Now give me mine. No, I can tell all these nice folks why you've been ducking me. Politics, man. This country wants to keep me down. They don't want me to have power.
All right, we just finished off our legs workouts today. Man, I'm toasted, hey. So big thanks to Nick
Thank you.
for coming down today, and big thanks to Animal Kingdom for letting us film and work out here. Look, we're going to get this clip up, and we'll put a full details of what we did today. You know, we're using more volume training here through giant sets and things like that. So, I mean, this is just trying to, you know, you don't have to do the traditional methods, and definitely, you know, you need to break away from sometimes traditional things to make your body grow and really shock it to progress it to the next level. So, again, you know, we'll put this up, and yeah, we'll come to you again soon. Team on all the way.